Hello everyone, my name is Chris Morris. This is our advanced training series. This is lesson 18. We're going to go over count tags. Basically, what's the purpose of a count tag, and then I'll show you how to create a count tag and show you on screen how that shows up. Purpose of a count tag is to show the total count for a machine or a station, meaning like a PSM, touch input if you're doing like a manual one, or if you got an input. You can also use it for a switch contact module that's wired in for a count, and it basically gives it that count for a specified period of time. You can use counts to show on displays, on the panels, or you can use it in a calculation. Go ahead and get into it here. So go to your VT3000 homepage, go ahead and select Virtual Panels 4. Once you're in here, click on Panels. Counts can only be used in performance panels and combo panels. So I'll go ahead and select the performance panel, and we're just going to name this count. And we can go over here to tags, and call it count. And for functionality, it's count. So once again, this is very similar to duration. So active only. So you only want to show the count if the count's active. So if you have that count where it's getting turned off when you're in production, you can select this. If it's a continuous count where it's always on, then this wouldn't apply. So depending on what you select there, then your next one here would be your time period. So you basically have your current shift. We select the schedule. You have a 24-hour period. Select the schedule again. Specific shift, select your schedule, select your specific shift that you want to see. Other one is the span. So from 5 minutes ago until now, you can set this up in seconds from any type of span that you want. I'm going to go ahead and select for the current shift. My schedule, just got the one schedule in here. So date range. This is pretty similar to the other ones you've seen. The current day, current week, current month. You can do a day span from how many days ago till how many ever days ago. Same thing with week and month. Just put in those the integers here for how far back you want to go. I'm going to go ahead and select for the current day. This will be for, you can do a monitoring point, filter group, or a device. Filter group. So if you've created a filter group that has counts from specific different machines, you can select that here and basically select the group of the device. So if you have a device that has multiple counts on it, you could just select device and get all the get all the counts from that device. I'm going to actually select the monitoring point for a specific device, which is one I have set up for the panels. And as you can see here, I've got my count, so I select that. Results always an integer because it's just a count. And then what we can do after we've created our tag for the count, we can go over here and put it into a panel. So we'll just call it the count. And then we're going to put the tag in here. Select our count tag. Basically, hit save and exit. So here it is. We can go ahead and view it. And see is count. Count is 5. I have a virtual device here. So as you can see, my count is indeed 5. So if I add a count, it goes 6. And then we can watch our panel refresh. It goes to 6. That's essentially all there is to a count tag. We'll go over here to our PowerPoint, to our summary. So purpose of a count tag, show the total count for a device over a specified period of time. Current shift, current day, the time span. Then we got to create one, give it a name, select the functionality as a count. We can do that active only, so it'll only show the count if it's active. We select our time period. Then the data source, so that's where you have the device, the monitoring point, or the filter group. If it's a monitoring point, select the device, then the specific count input, and the result is always an integer. Practical app, create a count tag for any device that you have that has a count on it, and then throw it into a panel and go ahead and play with it and see how that works. Additional information, we got the virtual panels overall page here for wiki. Then there's a page for tags, and then there's a page for the specific count tag. Kind of goes over what we did. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you have a great day.